Hey, it's Jeff Sansberry from myauctiontrader.com. Thank you for visiting our site. You're probably looking for details for our upcoming auction that's going to be closing on July the 24th. If you have assets that you would like to turn into cash, please reach out to us, 678-753-2562. If you would like to get a list of the upcoming items that are going to be in the auction before they're available to the public, you can click the red link down below, put in your name and email address, and we will email you that link that has the tentative list that we will be offering. We are offering items on site and off site. So if you have items that are available and for whatever reason you can't make it to the auction with them, we can visit wherever those assets are, take descriptions, photographs, and videos if they're rolling stock, if it's running equipment, and post those up for the potential buyers to see. Thanks for checking out the site, and we'll see you at the next auction on July the 24th.